How to create Microsoft 365 developer account. Hello everyone, and let's get started. As a qualified program member, you can use the developer subscription to build solution independent of your product or production environment. You can build Microsoft Teams apps, Office add-ins for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Outlook, or SharePoint solutions using Microsoft Graph, the SharePoint framework, and much more. So, if you want to create a Microsoft 365 developer account, go to your Microsoft account and then first of all log in into your account. Once that is done, tap on Join the Microsoft 365 Developer Program subscription option and you have a form to fill up. This includes giving your country name and then the region, the company, and then the language preferences. Once you have filled the form, you need to tick on I accept the terms and conditions. After that, scroll down a bit and you have the option of next button. Tap on it. From here, you have to select what is your primary focus as a developer and tick on the option. Likewise, tap on next to answer next question. Then after you have to tick on I'm not a robot CAPTCHA and solve it. All these questions that has been answered will be used for the customization of your developer account. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.